What's up, guys? Today we're at the 125th anniversary of Mack. We're at the Mack Experience Center. There's some Mack Trucks rolling in. We're rolling in. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the Mack Experience Center. Holy crap! What in the world? Yeah. Only Mack's here today. Oh, I see that rat Mack. Mack defense. I seen something about that. Yeah. Online when we were looking it up. So you guys can actually come here and tour the museum from what I heard. This is a big museum. Yeah. They could.
Check that out. There's a lot of beef there.
Yeah.
You know, speaking of tall, they can get in top. They can get in top. Look at that. Look at that black
Oh my
Ram
gosh, that's so pretty. I want that right there. I used to have one.
Mom spent 10, 12 years doing that.
Yeah, I did.
These things look tough. These ones are used. That one's all tore apart. That one.
You want
Zebra.
that? You want that third truck in, don't you? You want that cab over thing?
Yeah, I do. It looks like bulletproof.
Yeah.
That one there
Yeah.
looks bulletproof.
That door, how thick? Quarter-inch door.
Jeez.
All-wheels drive. This thing, she's been in the mud.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it is. I need to check out this Ram Charger over here.
Looks clean from here.
Yeah.
It was red once upon a time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty black.
Yeah.
The Doom buggy.
You had one of them license plates on the buggy.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
It's got power windows.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Except the roof is rusted. You can see right now.
Yes, you can.
Maybe they're working on patching
They
it.
might do, yeah. That's air conditioning. That's extra air conditioning.
Yeah. Let's have it start. All this beef, bro.
I know, right? Oh,
Not traveling these around.
all-wheel drive dump trucks.
I got a spot they can park one. Take that.
Wow, these are getting real old. These are getting all marked down. These are getting into clearance territory here. I know, I was thinking you would like one of them bumpers, huh?
I'd like the whole truck without the bed.
Oh, this one's brand new. September 29th, 2025.
December.
Set.
Oh,
September 30th.
There.
For something cool, but too.
wow, this looks like a good show. Oh, that song feels really good. I was debating on not bringing my jacket or bringing it, and I finally decided, yeah, I won't. It feels really good. This place looks so cool.
Yeah,
Look at it.
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
real cool.
Brockway.
It's got that bell you want on this side.
Oh, the air-powered bell. Oh, that's cool. No, that's not air-powered.
Oh, no?
That's hand-powered.
Oh.
Dun, dun.
It's a little short wheelbase machine.
Yeah, it is. I want to ride back there.
It almost looks kind of like the trash truck.
Yeah, it is.
This-
Do stuff like that to keep it warm. Because you kind of sit down.
That's a newer one. Trash truck style.
I tried to get them to go, because I was the chairman of the committee, I tried to get them to go to the polar opposite. I wanted red with black stripes.
That newer.
Yeah, he's ready to registering trucks.
Most of them landing probably put on. They had over 100 and some thousand.
Look at that boom. Check this thing out.
Mack and Mack. Pretty cool. Please do not climb on him. You can pet him.
Bite the chain.
Watch out, he might bite.
Where's his mouth even at? He's one of those slobbery ones.
Let me take a photo.
You can another one of these Macks, like the 500 that are back there.
Something cool in the back that we want right there. Nice
This is
back corner there, Dad. Check it
That was
out.
out in the country.
The four-door one? Yeah. Lots of fun. Little beds.
no, we need a bigger bed than that. That thing's running as quiet as it could be. Here's another Bulldog. It's a good looking dog. This thing is insane looking. It's huge. Yeah. This is high as I can reach, and I'm like 412. What in the world? Okay, hold up, wait a minute. I thought that Mack dog was crazy. What in the world? Oh, it's freaking one of the NASA space shuttles. What in the world?
I have no idea. But I want to know what's inside. I want to go in. I definitely want to go inside now.
Me too.
Why don't they have it open? Why don't they have it open so we can go in?
Because it's probably got abducted aliens inside. Dad, I want to go inside this thing.
Okay.
What?
Can you?
No, not open.
Red, white, and blue.
Next level cool.
Yeah.
Anybody, Rose, anybody with that much knowledge.
Single axle.
Take a look at Red Roll.
As soon as we walked in the aisle here, I was like, what's he doing back?
That's cool.
Then we got Ron Horseman from down in Chester there. And then we got that Armand.
This is one of my favorite Max models right, thank you. Right here. I just like the headlights on them. I think they call that the R model. Then I like the B model the best.
Good, how are you? Good.
That's cool.
That's usually how it works.
This thing's cool.
We had to drive.
That record boom would be cool on my wheelies.
Oh, it would, yeah.
And it was like winter, it was cold or something. You gotta do it. Did you really have little enough arms?
Take that and go in.
Chain drive. Wait, look at that. That's interesting. So, got a drive shaft coming to chain. Why wouldn't they just run the drive shaft all the way back to the axle? Huh, that's neat.
Right, and then I said to her, you know what? You know, I said,
Oh, like.
Hello, Gary. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? Nice to see you. So we're up there looking at the truck. Yeah, I got up there. Yeah.
those days are gone.
Oh, yeah.
Man, we have some beautiful trucks here.
Oh yeah, I think on my son's 31. I could take land up there on surface air base. That's what it's for. Oh, is that right? You building one? Sure, for it.
Huge one up there. And,
These two were both at Mack days.
hey, sunshine.
I know, I can't wait to go inside. I have to grab a souvenir or something.
Did some over the road stuff for a while. That was kind of around the same time like they were playing that well. They looked at it. Remember Manny? Yes. Yeah, him and his brother. They had a truck. But they were trying to get
Make sure you do a short on this truck. Got like 30,000 views.
Oh, yeah.
1951. I mean, they were doing it. I don't know.
Don't want to break your camera.
Mack Superliner. It's a good looking truck. This Mack is like square. The square body Mack.
Yeah, there you go. That thing's cool too.
Yeah, it is.
I like this single axle hauler here.
That is cool.
RV Toyota. Yeah. Alan, look at the golf cart behind you. That's back.
No, he wasn't that weak.
Yeah, here we go.
At the show.
So, in fact, I was all from Rissers for
I like this. It was beautiful. The race hauler.
That's not how you ship.
This thing is sweet. Hammock in the back of it.
One guy's like, go back to work for Walmart. How do I feel?
Flatbed.
Belong in a Mac, leave it alone.
That's sweet.
Then we find out. That was it. That was the end of him. He's done.
What?
Like, oh, that's nice, dude. That's the boss out of work.
We looked over and they just smiled at me, you know, they come out on their sidewalk and smiled at me.
Yeah.
There's Peanut's truck. A lot of them.